golden wheel is gone! If we don't find it, Vehicle World could stop forever! The map says we must visit 7 vehicles. Each vehicle has a special clue. Can you help me find the golden wheel? Something big was here. What vehicle makes tracks like these? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that huge excavator! Excavators don't just dig dirt. They can move giant rocks and uncover amazing surprises. Now, and look! The crane is helping lift the treasure. Construction vehicles are super strong. Wow, a magical gear. Oops, it's too heavy. What vehicle carries giant loads? That's a dump truck! Dump trucks carry heavy things! Look! I think that's the missing gear. The train is coming! Trains carry people and cargo long distances. We found another gear! Wow! Let's keep exploring! Oh no! Someone needs help! Look who's here! A fire truck! Fire trucks help keep us safe! Look! Something is glowing in there! Awesome! We found the fire truck gear! Let's find the next one! We need a vehicle that travels on water! Wow! That's a ship! Ships carry people and goods across oceans all around the world! We found our 5th great gear! Only 2 more to go! Let's finish the treasure map! It's too high! Which vehicle can reach it? Look up! It's a helicopter! Helicopters can take off and land almost anywhere. That's why rescue teams use them. You see that? We found it! Yippee! We found our 6th gear! Only 1 more gear left! Only 1 vehicle can reach it. It has to fly the farthest. Airplanes help us travel across the world quickly. Wow, look, a golden gear! Our map is complete! We found all 7 clues! Look! They make the golden wheel! You learned 7 amazing vehicles today! Which one was your favorite? See you on our next adventure!